Lisa. Okay, candle. Lisa. Where? Caitlin, Christina. Hello.
This is set up.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Caitlin, Christina, hello.
Sorry, John, couldn't see you.
Can someone hold the candle and make sure it doesn't go out? Let's take this thing. Hey, where's Caitlin and Christina?
I'll go find him.
Okay.
Hey, Alex,
Yeah?
get in front and go clean up the M&Ms all over the whole back of the house. Somebody's been throwing
Whoa,
M&Ms.
whoa.
Go pick them up now.
It's only chasing.
Go. Just can run.
I'm way faster than you guys.
No, we can't go inside.
Oh, come on. You can't go outside.
No.
I feel like jogging would be better than him. I like
No, let's go inside. Come on.
Oh, God.
No, please. Ow. I'm fine.
Alex, I'm serious. No, Alex, I'm serious.
Kylie.
No. I hit you.
How the hell did you lock the door?
I don't know.
I hit you, Alex.
Do you want my pizza?
You locked us out.
No, don't do it. Nana. Sorry.
It's okay. Just put this on now.
I'm trying. But it gets so close.
It's not even scary.
Alex, seriously.
Here's
What?
a guy chasing you with the
What? I'm gonna film you guys.
How about we just stand right here because I like watching, but I don't like being scared.
Fine.
Recording me?
There's not even like blades on the thing.
I know.
But still.
Peter, you're making it so boring.
I'm just gonna sit here. Do nothing. I'm not gonna move.
Are you guys gonna run or something?
No.
I just kept running in circles.
I'm not running.
If you run something.
I'm just doing it for fun.
I'm doing it because I'm
It's
scared.
supposed to be fun. You guys are just homophobes, so. Oh God, I'm running. Wait.
This totally scares the shit out of me. Like, I'm serious.
Yeah. Oh my God.
I feel like I'm in a horror movie.
No!
I get to film this.